In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find blocks in the Design Center in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed quick access to ready-made symbols like doors, trees, furniture, or fixtures, the Design Center is your built-in library browser. It lets you explore existing drawings and pull blocks straight into your current file, saving you time and keeping your work consistent. Let's start by opening the Design Center. In the command line, type AD Center or simply ADC and press Enter. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+2. This opens a palette that you can dock or float, and you can toggle it on or off with the same shortcut if your screen feels crowded. Inside the Design Center, you'll see a folder tree on the left. We're going to use the sample content that ships with AutoCAD. Navigate to this path in the tree. C Drive, then click Program Files, next select Autodesk, then select AutoCAD version, then select Sample, next select N. US, finally select Design Center. The version stands for your version year, so pick the one that matches your installation. If you don't see the exact path, just browse to your AutoCAD installation folder, then Sample, then NUS, and finally Design Center. This folder contains curated drawings that hold useful blocks for practice and production. Now, let's explore specific blocks. In the Design Center, double-click a drawing like housedesigner.dwg or landscaping.dwg to reveal its contents. You will see categories such as blocks, layers, and more. Double-click the blocks icon to display all the symbols stored in that file. You'll get a list with names and previews, which makes it easy to identify what you need before inserting it. When you are ready to place a block, you have two options. You can click and drag the block directly from the Design Center into your drawing area for a quick insert. Or you can double-click the block name. Double-clicking opens the Insert dialog, where you can set the insertion point, scale, and rotation. If you are unsure about the size, leave scale at 1 and adjust later. You can always modify it after placement. Click OK, then pick a point in your drawing to place it. Use your object snaps for accuracy. And if the block looks too large or small, that usually means the source units differ from your drawing. Adjust the scale value and try again. That's the process. It's a simple, powerful way to build your drawings with reliable, pre-made content. Thanks for watching.